Nguyễn Phạm Bình Minh 1A4. Hello everyone, welcome to the EVUS speaking test today. Let's get started. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Bình Minh.
Okay, Bình Minh. How are you today? How are you? Okay, you're good. And how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, you're 7. Now look, what letter is it?
G, C, G.
Okay, it's the G and it sound G. What are they?
They are girls.
Yes, they are Hebrews. And what number is it?
6.
It's number 6. Finally, what is this?
It's nose.
Okay, this is...
This is my nose.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. That is the end of our test. Thank you for your listening.